Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing your system and accessing UEFI. Make sure you've backed up critical files and that Windows Fast Startup is off. This prevents boot state conflicts. Next, reboot and repeatedly press Delete or F2 on an Asus logo to enter BIOS. Use a USB keyboard if needed. Once in, navigate to Advanced Mode with F7 because the Easy Mode hides Secure Boot. You're now positioned to locate the Secure Boot menu and change keys, so continue to the next step. Once in Advanced Mode, go to Boot then Secure Boot to find OS type and key options. You should set OS type to Windows UEFI mode when using Windows. That selects the correct verification behavior. If Secure Boot is disabled, choose Enabled and select Install Default Secure Boot keys to restore Microsoft and vendor keys. This simplifies trust. If you need custom keys, for example for signed Linux, you'll import Platform Key and KEK from Trusted Media. Once keys and OS type are set, save and exit with F10, then let the system reboot. Make sure Windows boots from the UEFI entry. This verifies Secure Boot is active. If the system won't boot, return to BIOS quickly. Either disable Secure Boot or choose Restore Default Keys to recover access, then troubleshoot drivers or unsigned boot components that cause the block. Finally, in Windows run msinfo 32 and confirm Secure Boot state is on. That tells you everything worked.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.